previous video, we have shown you how to build WordPress website. Then, in here, we will show you how to log in into WordPress websites. To log in into WordPress websites, you can just type your domain name /wp-admin like this, and you can enter. And the number second, you can also type wp-login.php like this and hit enter. It is the same. Now you can input your username and the password. We are using 12345 and click login. Now you can create posts, categories or tags, and in the next video we will show you how to change WordPress website password because 12345 is very weak password.